Alright, so needless to say, I'm pretty excited about these components from REDARC. Again, this isn't like a full overview video of all of the REDARC components. This is more of just kind of a unboxing, first impressions, and what the components do and why I'm so excited to be using them. REDARC is a company that's based out of Australia. I believe it's Australia. Started there, founded there, and they're kind of new to the North American market. They've been really popular over in Australia for years, really dominating the overlanding scene over there. And with the recent boom in the van life market and economy in North America, they've started to bring over a lot of that technology to the US and Canada. And lucky enough, the timing worked out with my build, my second build, that I'm able to utilize some of their amazing components for Sprinter van builds. If you've seen my first van build, whether it's on my channel or it's been on Eamon and Beck's channel, Sarah and Alex's channel, Levi's channel, they've all kind of talked about my control center or my control panel, which is sort of where all of the brains of my last van lived. I had my inverter on off, my switch panel, my tank sensors, tank monitors, the S-bar controller. All of that kind of lived inside of what I called the control panel. It worked, it looked great, it was functional, but at the end of the day, everything was its own individual component. Nothing really talked nicely to each other. That's one thing that I was always trying to find a little bit more elegant of a solution to solve. So when I was finally introduced to the REDARC system, which kind of streamlines a lot of these controllers and displays into one simple, easy to install and wire unit, I was pretty excited to give it a try. When it comes to the REDARC system, the thing that I'm most excited about is the Red Vision monitor, which is part of the REDARC Total Vehicle Management System. So the first part you have is the monitor, which is the kind of control center where the things you can control with it are endless. It's got temperature inputs, it's got tank sensor inputs, inverter on, off. You can control 12-volt circuits through it. I'm sure I'm missing a bunch of things. Again, this isn't the full overview. And it comes with a really nice distribution box that just plugs into the monitor. So all of your wiring goes into this distribution box, and the distribution box controls all the communication between the Red Vision monitor. I haven't installed any of this yet, but just kind of looking over the components, the build quality is crazy high. The instructions are amazing, easy to follow. And I think it overall simplifies the entire wiring system on a Sprinter van, especially for a DIYer. Even an upfitter, I just think the amount of wire you have to run is going to be significantly less inside the van if you're using something like the REDARC Red Vision Total Vehicle Management System. The other two components that I got from REDARC are, I'm going with their DC to DC charger, which is going to, that paired with the Manager 30, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, is going to allow me to have 50 amps of alternator charging to my 300 amp hour Battleborn lithium battery bank. So I'm using the REDARC DC to DC charger, and then I'm also using the Manager 30. The Manager 30 is a pretty cool thing, and it's hard to explain exactly what it is, but it's basically, it's a solar charge controller, so your solar panels plug right into it. And because it works nicely with the Red Vision monitor, all of your solar displays on the Red Vision monitor through the Manager 30 solar plug-in. It does support alternator charging on its own, so you can have like 30 amps of alternator charging and shore power charging through the Manager 30. So it does alternator charging, shore power charging, charge controller. It has a battery isolator. It has a low disconnect controller, and it includes remote battery monitoring. It seems like it does it all. I haven't really, like I said, I've mapped out my electrical system and how I think everything's going to work together. The main reason I went with this system to start with is the Red Vision monitor is what sold me, because I can really streamline my control panel down to this almost single unit. I do have a few other ones that I'll have to have. It comes with a smartphone app, so even things that I wire into the distribution box that I don't want to run switches for, I can just control them on and off through the phone app. So what I'm planning on doing there is for all of my exterior lighting, I had originally planned on running switches up by the driver's sort of dash on the left side of the steering wheel. Now I'm probably just going to use my phone, which is always on a magnetic mount up there, and just use the Red Vision app to turn those lights on and off, instead of having to deal with, running all of that wiring and cutting switches into the dash and all of that. So this is my super kind of high level look at kind of the REDARC system, the components I'm using, which is the Red Vision, which comes with the distribution box, the DC to DC charger, and the Manager 30. I'm pretty excited to get it all wired in, see how it all looks. The build quality on this stuff is amazing. The people at REDARC, the support has been impeccable. I do think these components in the van life space in North America are really going to take off, because just going through the documentation, it really simplifies a lot of the aspects of the electrical system that a lot of people struggle with, especially when it comes to solar, charge controllers, AC, DC circuitry. It's really all in this one unit, which I think is going to make things a lot easier. So that's my overview video. If you have any more questions about it, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And I have dropped links in the description for all of the components that I'm using, with a little description of what they are and why I'm using them. There's going to be full videos to follow on all of the components. I just want to let you guys know that this is what I'm using. So I'll see you in the next one.